Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making steamed fish. The fish that I'm using today is going to be tuna fish. So let's get started. First, what I'm going to be doing is taking my fish and steaming it. In order to steam it, I'm going to be using a couple of ingredients. Alright, first the fish. I've taken about a pound of fish. Okay, to this I'm going to add green onions. So I'm just going to cut the shallots. Okay. I'm going to add baby ginger, which again I'm going to snap them with my scissors. I'm going to allow it to steam for the next 7 to 8 minutes and then make the sauce. So let it steam now for 7 to 8 minutes and I'll get back to you. So whilst the fish is steaming, let's go ahead and make the sauce. In order to make the sauce, what we're going to first do is take a pan and heat it. I'm going to add some oil to my pan. I'm using peanut oil. You could use whatever oil you want. To this I'm going to add dried salted black beans. I'm using this. They look like this. I'm just going to be using around a handful of it. And I'm going to let it fry till it becomes aromatic. Become nice and aromatic. I'm going to add ginger, garlic and chili, which I finely chopped. Can you see how finely I've chopped it? Equal parts of ginger, equal parts of garlic, and chilies according to my taste, how spicy I want it. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon, large tablespoon to this. Okay, and I'm going to add the greens of spring onion. First I'm going to add the white part and leave the greens for garnish. Just fry it for a while. Find it aromatic. I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of dark soy. This is dark soy. And 2 teaspoons of light soy. And stir this. Next I'm going to add is Chinese cooking wine. And let the sauce boil so that little bit of the alcohol gets evaporated. I'm going to season it with a little bit of chicken seasoning so that it's about, so I've added chicken seasoning and half a teaspoon of sugar. Look how nice and thick the sauce is. Now, if you want, you can throw out the water that is collected while steaming the fish. If you do not like it very fishy, take off the ginger and the shallot and the fish water. If you like it if you like it fishy, what you can do is add the sauce just on top of the steamed fish. I like it the way I like the fish water. I don't like, because I've already washed the fish so well, so I don't mind the water which is oozed out of the fish while steaming. So I'm going to add this sauce now directly to the steamed fish. Let's go ahead and add the sauce. Once I add the sauce, I'm going to now again allow it to steam for the next 7 to 8 minutes, and my fish will now be ready then. Okay, so I'm going to cover it again and let it steam again inside the steamer. See you then. Just go and check now. Here you go. My fish is now ready. If you like my recipe, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you get notification about the next recipe, and also like and comment on my recipe for any kind of feedback or any kind of suggestions. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you will try this at home and enjoy it. Thank you and have a nice day. Goodbye.